Why do we choose USCMA? Let me tell you, USCMA Certified Management Accountant is one of the most respected certification in financial and accounting. We choose USCMA because it's not just about accounting, it's about leadership, decision making and strategies. It's globally recognized in more than 100 countries. That means your opportunities are not limited to India. You can build your career anywhere in the world, work with MNCs, big firms, Fortune 500 companies, role like finance managers, FP&A, analyst, even CFO tracked. High salaries compared to non-certified professionals. And the best part, you can complete it just in 8 to 10 months. So, why do we choose USCMA? Simple, it's globally recognition, fast growth, and unlimited opportunities. If you are ready to take your career to next level, choose USCMA today.